Arshad sir, आइए on stage. Javed ji sir, where are you? There you are. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We keep it going. Baman sir, Johnny Lever sir, Pito Bash, where are you, gentlemen? कैसे हो sir? What a pleasure. बढ़िया sir. Okay, I'm now going to stand and give. Can I have the mics for everyone, please? Ah, yes. Okay, one by one, let me just give all the mics across, please. We'll play pass in the puzzle, sir. One. We go a little ahead. आप उधर चले जाओ, no problem. There you go, sir. I think we've covered everyone. But I got a little surprise for you. 50 crore का जो game है. First of all, I'm going to ask a little question to the crew also and the cast. How many zeros there are in 50 crores? But उससे पहले, because it's all about 50 crore and money and how it excites everyone, I thought it थोड़ा सा खाली लग जाएगा if we don't have money on the stage also. So ladies and gentlemen, let's have a little shower of money right here, right now in this big theater. Where's the shower? Where's the shower? We're going to look up somewhere. There we go. Yes, you can check if and see if it's real. उसके बाद you can decide to take it forward or not.
ऊपर से कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
साइड से आ रहे हैं सर, साइड से. और पहुंचते पहुंचते जो जरूरी लोग हैं उनके पास ही रुक रहे हैं, हमारे पास नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, all as souvenirs you can keep it. यही वाले same जो notes है ये बाहर भी हैं in case you go outside. There's lovely little crystal maze there. All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Gentlemen, that was a fantastic promo, sir. और 50 करोड़ का जो क्वेश्चन है सर, पहले मैं अजय सर आपसे पूछूंगा कितने जीरो है 50 करोड़ में सर? हाँ?
8 है.
अजय साहब मुझसे पूछ रहे थे, मेरा वाला मुझे भी नहीं मालूम.
50 करोड़. जावेद सर कितने हैं?
आई थिंक अजय को ज्यादा मालूम होगा क्योंकि 50 करोड़ ले रहा है आजकल.
नहीं, मैं कभी जीरो नहीं गिनता. जीरो गिनने की आदत नहीं है.
But it's right. This is fantastic. Since the mic is with you, Ajay sir. 880. 8 zeros is the right answer. You'll want one before that. Actually, you'll want a 10 before that, Inderji. And that's the beauty of it. Ajay sir, are you happy with the promo? You know, a lot of the times when the trailer comes out, one gets a little nervous just to figure out if everything has gone as it is. Oh, yeah. You've seen it. I know you had an immediate reaction. What do you think about it? Perfect.
Of course, I'm very happy with the promo. I mean, I'll be happy if everybody else is happy, if they are happy. So let's ask them what the reaction is.
Yeah, yeah.
आप लोगों को पसंद आया तो हमें पसंद आया.
हमें सर आपकी एंट्री अभी 1 महीने पहले बहुत पसंद आई थी सर. आपने जो सिंगम में जो धमाकेदार एंट्री दी थी, आई थिंक एवरीवन बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. इट वाज फैंटास्टिक.
सिंगम नहीं थी, सिंगम नहीं थी, सिम्बा थी.
Simba, same thing. For us, it's Singham only. But you know, the thing is, you have this grand entry with all these big vehicles always. This is always there in your life. यहाँ पे भी बड़ी गाड़ी, बड़ा plane. वहाँ पे भी बड़ी गाड़ी, बड़ा plane. All these things keep happening.
पहली फिल्म में, फर्स्ट फिल्म में मैं बाइक पे आया था
जी.
उसके बाद गाड़ियाँ बढ़ती गई.
यहाँ पे तो plane भी आ गए पीछे. I don't know if you're in the plane or not.
सन ऑफ सरदार में मैं घोड़ों पे आया था.
अच्छा घोड़े वाह. We go back and forth. We cover it. The lady is sitting, standing right next to you, ma'am. Such a pleasure. You're looking so fantastic once again.
Thank you.
And the gentleman standing over here, sir. We did a 10-year challenge of late, but trend हो रहा था Instagram पे. You were trending above the 10-year challenge. Anil ji, with a 40-year challenge doesn't matter. It doesn't change at all, sir. First time an actor was trending above a hashtag. So, अभी once and for all बता ही दीजिए, sir. What is the राज?
गाना चेंज हो गया है. 1 2 का 4 नहीं है, 10 का 20, 20 का 40.
But you're coming back with Madhuri ji after many years. You know, it looks like, you know, you're obviously you can pick up where you left off. Just the memories are coming back on set with her, you know, in a film.
Well, I think more than anything else, I think it's been a wonderful working on this film and with Induji, Ashok ji, the entire team, and you know Ajay also, you know, has been wonderful. Absolutely, they all have been fantastic producers, and we have a great team. Fox, you know, I have a long association with Fox. It's on 23rd of Jan. It'll be 10 years, you know, and of course, so you know what happens is the director and the producer are so good. Everything just goes. So there was not a moment where there was any hitch in this film. There was no hiccups. Everybody was very, very happy. And it was, the whole film has been made with joy, happiness, and what do you call, complete teamwork. Coming back to Madhuri, the question you asked me. Good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's wonderful to see all of you all over here. And well, it is not only me and Madhuri, Madhuri and me coming together. It's Ashok, Indu, Madhuri, myself coming together. So that's, we've had absolutely a phenomenal association. And so to be back, all four of us together, is not only professionally great, which has always been professionally fantastic, but even emotionally. And hopefully, we again live up to the expectations. Yeah.
I think it's already working. Madhuri ma'am, what would you like to say? Has he changed at all as a person, as an actor? Though he only seems to be expanding his repertoire all the time.
I don't think he'll ever change. Good evening, everyone. I don't think Anil can ever change. He'll always be the same. He was the same in 98 से आपने वो डाला था challenge का, तब से लेके आज तक. I think he's 58 maybe. So I don't think he'll change. He's one of a kind, and it's always a pleasure working with him. This film saw me teaming up with my Dil Beta Raja Jodi, Indu ji and Ashok ji. And I'm working with Ajay also after a long time. We're in one frame together after Ye Raaste Hai Pyar Ke, with Anil ji after Pukar. So it was wonderful teaming up with everyone. Even Javed Jaffrey I worked with after 100 days, I think, Javed. And so I think if the amount I have laughed in between shots with all these people around me, I think the audience, even if they laugh half the amount, I think this film is a success then. Because it's been a mad, mad journey for me, and it was wonderful. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Well, it looks like it's been real fun. She mentioned, Javed sir, you're meeting Anil ji after 30 years on the screen. More than 30 plus years.
Yeah, about 33 years approximately.
That's incredible.
मुझे तो-
A reunion हो रहा है of sorts.
I look better.
But you know, I met you recently and you said that this is one of the tougher roles that you've done, that people don't understand how tough it is to do this kind of a role. You know, and they think that ye to bada easy aa raha hai. So, you know, reprising that role must have been good fun.
No, see, I give all the credit to Induji, honestly, because this man has kept everybody in control. We go wild. And he has to keep going wild. Come down, come down, come down. So I would give a lot of credit to him because he's put it together the way this character was structured. And it seems simple, but it's not as simple as it looks on screen. So there's lots going in there.
I'm sure there's a lot going in there. तुम इतने serious लगते हो पीतो बाश, but you are such a powerhouse of talent, and you know I'm so happy to see you on such a large scale.
Thank you.
और please आप वापस आते रहना. कई बार मुझे लगता है आप गायब हो जाते हो 6-8 महीने के लिए. आप अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में सोच रहे होते, but just the experience of working with so many people. इनका तो reunion चल रहा था, आपका तो reunion नहीं हुआ किसी के साथ में.
Reunion में अकेला हूँ जो कि मतलब
Union हो गया.
और you know, if you ask me, generally this is my first multi-starrer mainstream commercial film. So generally people say like, oh, you know, masala banate hai, but it's so difficult to actually cope up with, you know, work this kind of cinema. I actually learned a lot, and thank you so much to Induji that इतने senior actors के साथ मैं काम किया और mainstream में मेरी पहली वैसे film है और मुझे सीखने को बहुत मिला.
I hope to see so much more of you there. आपके साथ में जो gentleman है Arshad, how are you doing, sir? Yeah.
I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine.
It really looks like it's a party every time I see you.
I know.
Off screen and on screen also. So was this another setup very easy for you to jump into?
Absolutely, always. I mean, I think absolutely fine. All these guys have got great sense of humor. All of them.
So who's the actual
guy
funniest of the lot?
No, I'll tell you who's the quiet funny is Ajay. You never know when it's coming. He's like that. So I think all these guys. Ritesh got a terrific sense of Javed, you know. I mean, so all of us are quite nuts. And Mr. Kapoor is outstanding. I just love him.
See, I want to know something. Is that Mr. Kapoor, does it happen on set?
I respect. There's a lot of respect. I can't stand him, but a lot of respect.
The gentleman over here, you're talking about so many funny men.